Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. I'm so excited to announce to you guys that I will be bringing back my free card kits. I haven't done a free card kit for you all in about a year now, so I'm really excited to bring them back. I'm going to bring them back slowly, and I'm here to announce my very first one for the month of May 2021, and I'm featuring the Dragonfly Garden Bundle. So with this bundle, you get the Dragonfly stamp set and then also the Dragonfly punch. I did that backwards. The stamp set and the punch. So I'm so excited to share this card kit with you. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'll give the details of how you can get this free card kit as a gift in the mail from me. And then I'll also tell you how to assemble your kit, and I'll walk you through doing that. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. Okay, so all you have to do to receive this free card kit as a gift in the mail from me to you is simply place a minimum $40 order in my online Stampin' Up! Store. That's $40 before tax and shipping. You can purchase whatever product your heart desires for that $40. I do have recommended supplies listed down below in the video description and over on today's coordinating blog post of what you could purchase if you want to recreate the projects in the kit exactly as I have. So I'm using the, like I said, the Dragonfly Garden Bundle. And then for ink, I'll be using all of the new 2021-2023 in colors: Pale Papaya, Fresh Freesia, Polished Pink, Soft Succulent, and Evening Evergreen. So this is an in color card kit. I'm so excited about it. So anyway, so those are the inks, the stamps, and the punch that I'll be using, and then of course adhesives of your choice. And I'll also be using my chamois here to clean my stamps, because we're gonna be doing a lot of stamping. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So your kit will come neatly packaged from me in the mail, and it will have all of the consumable supplies that you'll need to complete one of each of the projects included in the kit. So these are the cards that we are going to be making. They are monochromatic, one for each of the new in colors. They really showcase these colors beautifully, and I just love them. I absolutely love how they turned out. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how to create these cards. So we're going to start first with our stamping. So in your kit there will be a half sheet of white cardstock. So we're going to start with this piece. You'll also want to have some scratch paper handy as well. So I'm going to start first with Pale Papaya. And this little half sheet of cardstock, this is what you're going to use to stamp all of your dragonflies that we'll be punching out. So I'm just going to stamp my dragonfly. Then I'm going to bring in one of these die cuts that I have already die cut for you. And this is, let me show you, this is stitched all around the edge. This is from the Stitch So Sweetly dies. And we're going to stamp our sentiment, but first we're going to stamp this little cluster of dragonflies. I'm just going to stamp off 3 times and then stamp on so it's very pale. And then I'm going to ink my sentiment and put that full strength right over the top of those little dragonflies, so you can see them there in the background, but it's very, very faint. Then I'm going to grab my piece of Pale Papaya cardstock, and I'm going to bring in the large floral image from the stamp set, and I'm going to bring my ink to this image since it is so big. And I'm going to stamp this on the left side here of my cardstock. Just like that. Now I'm coming in with my chamois, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean off each one of my stamps so that they are ready for my next ink color. And what I like to do when I'm stamping like this with multiple ink colors is I organize my inks so that I'm stamping lightest to darkest. If you were to start with Evening Evergreen and then have to stamp Pale Papaya, if you didn't clean well enough in between, this image in Pale Papaya, your images in Pale Papaya wouldn't come out very well. So I always order my stamped or my inks from lightest to darkest if I'm going to use multiple and use the same stamps. That way I prevent that from happening. All right, so now that we've got all of our pieces stamped, let's go ahead and bring in that Dragonfly punch and punch out all of these beautiful dragonflies. I just love punches. Okay, so now we can start assembling everything. So I'm going to show you. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your white thick card base, give it a nice crease. These come pre-scored for you as well, so you don't have to worry about scoring them. And then let's go ahead and do the polished pink. So we're going to take this piece, and you've got some coordinating polished pink designer series paper. You can use whichever side you'd like. I'm going to add some adhesive to the back of this. It is cut longer than you need, and that's just to make it easier for me when I'm preparing the kits. And you can just cut the excess off with your scissors. So adhere it down towards the bottom and then just snip off where it hangs over. See? Then you're going to take your coordinating polished pink ribbon, add a little bit of adhesive. I'm using my seal adhesive, and you're just going to wrap that around the middle of that designer paper, and then add some adhesive to the back of this layer. And then, it's so sticky. And then center it up onto your card front. Okay, then you're going to add dimensionals to the back of your dragonfly, then find your sentiment and put a couple of dimensionals on the back of there. Okay, I'm going to put my sentiment down here towards the bottom off to the right, and then my dragonfly I'll just put right there. And then you've got a strip of these beautiful in color gems included in your kit, and you just want to add a couple of the polished pink. So I'm just going to put one on each side of my sentiment, just like that. So it looks like this. Isn't this so pretty? So it says, "May good things grow all year long." I just love it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do that for all the rest of my cards here. Okay, so that finishes up my free in color card kit featuring the new 2021-2023 Stampin' Up! In colors, as well as the Dragonfly Garden bundle. I absolutely love this kit, you guys. It's a great way for you to sample the new in color products as well, and just have a little bit of fun with the new in colors. So I just love it. So anyone who places a qualifying order in my online Stampin' Up! Store during the month of May will receive this as a free gift in the mail from me. So again, just place a minimum $40 order in my online Stampin' Up! Store. You can purchase whatever product you would like, and you can get this kit as a gift from me. And as you can see, it does come with envelopes, and I just stamped those cute little dragonflies on my envelopes as well. So thank you guys so much. You can find direct links to my online Stampin' Up! Store in the video description below, and over on today's coordinating blog post, which is also linked down below. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.